Alright, folks, buckle up. GitHub just dropped a bombshell, Copilot Agent Mode. We're talking about AI that can potentially write, debug, and even fix your code autonomously. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it a dream come true or a coding nightmare in the making? That's what we're diving into today. This isn't just another feature update. This could fundamentally change how software is built. Are you ready for it? Because I'm not sure I am. Get ready for a wild ride. Okay, let's start with the obvious. Developer productivity. Agent Mode promises to automate those tedious, repetitive tasks that eat up hours of your week. Imagine AI handling the boilerplate, fixing those pesky bugs, and generating code snippets on demand. Think of the time you'd save. Copilot Edits takes it a step further, streamlining changes across multiple files. We're talking faster development cycles, potentially cutting project timelines by weeks, maybe even months. But hold on, is this too good to be true? What's the catch? The promise of improved code quality is another huge draw. AI-powered error detection and automated debugging should lead to more robust and reliable software. But, and this is a big but, is AI really capable of understanding the nuances of complex codebases? And what about the shift in developer roles? Are we going to become glorified AI prompters, just telling the machine what to do? Will we lose the ability to actually code? This is a serious question that we need to consider. Now, let's zoom out and look at the ripple effects on other industries. First, the cloud computing providers, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform. They're going to be loving this. Increased reliance on AI-powered development tools means more demand for their resources. And what about the AI model providers like OpenAI and Google with Gemini? They're going to be swimming in cash as everyone scrambles for the latest and greatest AI coding agents. This is a multi-billion-dollar gold rush, folks, and it's just getting started. Then you've got the developer tooling and IDEs. Visual Studio Code is practically going to become the central hub for interacting with these AI coding assistants. Think of it, your IDE, powered by AI, writing most of your code. Scary, right? And let's not forget cybersecurity. As more code is generated by AI, the need for robust security measures skyrockets. We're talking about protecting against vulnerabilities and malicious code injected by AI. This is a whole new frontier in the cybersecurity arms race, and the stakes are incredibly high. Okay, let's talk big picture. Faster development cycles, lower barriers to entry. This could lead to a surge in software innovation across all industries. We're talking about economic growth, new jobs, and new opportunities. The CEO of GitHub even said that countries like India could see accelerated digital and economic progress. That's a pretty bold statement, but it highlights the potential impact of this technology. But what about the downsides? What about the risks? Here's the harsh reality. A wider skill gap is likely to emerge. Developers who can effectively use AI tools will be in high demand, while those who can't, well, they might struggle. And let's be honest, there's a real potential for job displacement, especially for junior-level coders. AI agents are intended to augment developers, but there's no guarantee that everyone will be able to adapt. This is a tough pill to swallow, but it's a conversation we need to have. All right, let's pump the brakes for a second. All this sounds amazing, but what about the potential pitfalls? What are the risks we need to be aware of? This isn't all sunshine and rainbows, folks. There's a dark side to this technology, and we need to understand it before we blindly embrace it. We're talking about technical risks, business risks, and ethical risks. Are you ready to face the truth? Because the truth can be a little scary. First up, technical risks. Autonomous agents might introduce subtle, complex bugs that are difficult to detect, especially in edge cases. The quality of the generated code is heavily dependent on the training data, and let's be honest, AI isn't perfect. We're talking about security vulnerabilities, potentially opening the door for hackers. And what about the maintenance burden? AI-generated code might be less readable and maintainable than code written by experienced developers. This could increase long-term costs and complexity. Are we trading short-term gains for long-term headaches? Then there's the integration challenge. Integrating AI agents into existing workflows might be a nightmare, requiring significant customization. And what about performance bottlenecks? AI agents can be computationally intensive. If not properly optimized, they could slow everything down. And let's not forget model drift. Code standards evolve rapidly. AI agents need to be constantly updated, or the quality of the generated code could degrade over time. Imagine your AI agent is stuck in 2010, spitting out code that no one uses anymore. Data poisoning is another risk. Malicious actors could try to poison the AI's training data, leading to the generation of flawed code. Now, let's talk business. The cost of implementing and maintaining AI agents might not be immediately offset by increased productivity. We're talking about ROI uncertainty. And what about vendor lock-in? Becoming heavily reliant on GitHub/Microsoft could make it difficult to switch to alternative platforms in the future. Are we putting all our eggs in one basket? And here's a paradox. If everyone uses the same AI agents, it could lead to a homogenization of software development and a reduction in competitive differentiation. Are we all just going to end up building the same stuff? Don't forget legal and compliance. There could be challenges related to the ownership and licensing of code generated by AI. And certain industries have strict regulatory requirements for software development. AI-generated code might not always meet those requirements. And finally, adoption. Some developers might resist adopting AI agents, fearing job displacement. An effective use of AI agents requires training, which can be costly. Are we prepared for the human element in all of this? Okay, this is where it gets really serious. Ethical risks. Increased automation could lead to a reduction in developer jobs, particularly for junior positions. And the demand for developers with AI skills will likely increase, widening the skill gap. But the big one is bias. AI agents trained on biased data could perpetuate and amplify existing biases in software applications. We're talking about unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This is a huge ethical minefield, and we need to tread carefully. And what about responsibility? Who's liable for errors in AI-generated code? The developer? The AI vendor? The organization using the AI? This is a legal and ethical nightmare waiting to happen. And let's not forget privacy. AI agents might collect and process sensitive data about developers and code. It's crucial to ensure that this data is properly protected and used ethically. Are we sacrificing our privacy for the sake of efficiency? So, what's the verdict? Is GitHub Copilot's agent mode the future of coding or a recipe for disaster? The truth is, it's probably a bit of both. This technology has the potential to revolutionize software development, but it also comes with significant risks that we need to address. We need to focus on ethical AI development, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability. We need to invest in developer training, helping them adapt to this new landscape. And we need to have a serious conversation about the potential for job displacement and how to mitigate its impact. The future of coding is here, folks. It's up to us to shape it responsibly. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.